Have you ever asked your smart speaker to play a song or set a timer? That's an AI assistant. It's great at following specific commands. But what if it could do more? What if it could plan your entire weekend getaway, from booking flights and hotels to creating a full itinerary, all on its own, based on a simple request like plan a relaxing beach trip for next month? Well, that's where we're heading. Welcome to the era of AI agents. So, what's the big deal? What's the difference between an assistant and an agent? Think of it like this: an AI assistant is like a helpful intern. You give it a task, it does it. Find me the best coffee shop near me, done. Remind me to call mom at 5 p.m. No problem. They're reactive. They wait for your instructions. An AI agent, on the other hand, is like a project manager. You give it a goal, and it figures out the steps to get there. It's proactive. It can reason, plan, and execute complex, multi-step tasks without you needing to guide it at every turn. Let's dive a little deeper. AI assistants, like Siri or Alexa, operate on a simple loop. They receive a command, process it, and execute it. They're fantastic for single, well-defined tasks, but AI agents are a whole different ballgame. They use advanced models, like large language models, to understand your high-level goals. Then, they break that goal down into smaller, manageable subtasks. They can access tools, browse the internet, write and execute code, and even interact with other software. They have memory, so they learn from their actions and adjust their plans if they hit a roadblock. It's a continuous cycle of planning, acting, and observing. Imagine this in your daily life. Instead of you spending hours researching for a new laptop, comparing specs, reading reviews, finding the best price, you just tell your AI agent, find me the best laptop for video editing under $1,500, with at least 16 gigs of RAM and a great screen. The agent then scours the web, gathers all the information, synthesizes it into a comparison table, and presents you with the top 3 options, complete with links to buy. It could even complete the purchase for you if you allow it. This isn't science fiction. Companies are building these tools right now. The implications for business are massive. Think about a marketing team. An AI agent could be tasked with launch a social media campaign for our new product. The agent would then draft the posts, design the visuals using other AI tools, schedule the content across different platforms, monitor engagement, and even generate a performance report at the end of the week. This frees up the human team to focus on what they do best: strategy, creativity, and high-level decision-making. It's not about replacing people, it's about augmenting our abilities, making us more efficient and capable than ever before. We're talking about automating entire workflows, not just individual tasks. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We need to think carefully about security, privacy, and control. How do we ensure these autonomous agents act in our best interests? How do we prevent them from being misused? These are the critical questions that developers and ethicists are grappling with as they build this future. Setting clear boundaries, permissions, and having a human in the loop for critical decisions will be absolutely essential. The shift from AI assistants to AI agents is more than just a technological upgrade. It's a fundamental change in how we interact with computers. We're moving from a world where we tell our devices what to do, to a world where we collaborate with them to achieve our goals. It's an exciting and slightly mind-bending future. We're just at the beginning of this journey, and the possibilities are almost limitless. What complex task would you delegate to your personal AI agent? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, be sure to like and subscribe for more.